Hello. Today, let's talk about the HUMYDRY non-electrical dehumidifiers premium. That's really cool because this is a moisture absorber and a refill pack. That means it is a pack that comes to you, and you can easy peasy use this to dehumidify your 200 square feet floor area, for example. Yeah, we controls the level of the humidity. The dehumidifying device is safe and effective as it retains and absorbs the moisture in liquid form and stores it in the bottom container. It is a product that absorbs, regulates, and maintains optimal level of environmental humidity from 40 up to 60% without drying out the environment. In addition, thanks to the high quality materials from which its moisture absorbers is made, it offers a great durability and resistance. It is reusable and dishwasher safe. And it's a patented anti-spill system. This moisture absorber device has a patented anti-slip, anti-spill system and secure clipping. As it absorbs the moisture, it covers the humidity into a liquid that is stored in the bottom container of the device. In turn, preventing losses or leaks of the liquid generally by the absorption of the moisture in the event of bumps, overturning, or if it's accidental tiled. And rechargeable, as you can see. The refills container calcium chloride is absorbent granulate that automatically activate when it contact with the excess moisture. The non-electrical dehumidifier device is easily refillable thanks to the clip system, which allows us to easily assemble and disassemble the unit to place a new refill. Refills are compatible with any dehumidifier up to 15.9 hours. And the dehumidifier is created with quality materials so it can be reused for years. And it is 100% recyclable, and it's made from recycled plastic. Humidity anti-moisture products are the most effective and economical solution to prevent the discomfort caused by moisture, stains on walls, and bad odors. They absorb excess ambient moisture without drying out the environment. Really cool that it brings. This is the HUMYDRY non-electrical dehumidifier. It's easy peasy and it makes a good job. And it's easy to refill, as you can see, and it's easy to maintain, as you can see too. That means if the granulate in is gone, then it's ready to refill, and it's only a 20-second thing, and you're back in business for dehumidifier. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.